Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 39. Write a program to fill in array elements with random numbers, then count the positive number only. This time we want to count the positive number that exists inside the array. How we let the compiler fill the array with random numbers or random elements with negative numbers, not just positive numbers. We'll play a little bit with that function that it's fill for us the array that's called get elements with random number, right? We have that function or procedure, we all the time use it. We'll make its range from -100 to +100. We will go to Visual to see. Just now, let's complete the slide. If the user input 5, the output should be the elements of array 1 are 91 minus 62 1 minus 54 minus 35 34. The positive numbers from array 1 are 2 because we account them. We don't want to copy them to another array and print them. We just want to count how many positive numbers we have in our array. There are 2, 91 and 1, and that's correct. So let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're going to convert this requirement into code. Alright, this is our solution problem number 39. Write a program to fill an array elements with random number, then count the positive numbers only. Let's do run first to see how the program looks like. Okay, please insert how many elements do you want? 5. The elements of array 1 are 35 minus 96 minus 74 minus 6 and 95. We have 2 positive numbers, so the positive numbers from array 1 are 2, 35 and 95. So let's get back to our code to explain it. We have a strand. Here we have array and its length, and we fill it with using get array elements with random number. Here now, in this function, the generate random number is same. We don't change its logic. Here, the procedure get array elements with random number. We play a little bit with its range. This is the question that you saw on the screen once we did run to the program. And integer I equals 0 while I less than the length, let's say it's 5. Array of I equal get random number. The range, we make it from -100 to +100. For that, the compiler return for us random number that is stored inside the array starting from -100, which is we'll have -69, -70, -1, okay? And in the end, we say I++, we move the array index by 1 to store another random numbers. So here in the main function, after we fill the array with negative and positive numbers, we just display. We say the elements of array 1 are display array, we give it array and this, and the positive numbers from array 1 we call count the positive number function. It's same like the count the even numbers or even numbers. Let's open it. It's same idea, counter equals 0 for loop and array of I greater than or equals 0. If the array of I, which means if this number that's stored inside the array according or regardless to its position or its index in the array, if it's greater than 0, which means positive number, account it please for me, counter ++. If it's not greater than 0, which means it's not a positive number, it's a negative number, then account it and complete I++ until the condition of for loop becomes false and the compiler will finish the program. Let's do run for the last time. Please insert how many elements do you want? 10 this time. Perfect. We have 4 positive numbers, 71, 60, 48, and all of them negative, and 73 in the end. That was the problem of today, problem number 39. Write the program to fill an array elements with random number, then count the positive number only. See you next lesson, next problem. Ciao.